Antiemetics. Antiemetics are the type of drugs that are effective against nausea and vomiting. They are typically used to treat motion sickness and the side effects of opioid analgesics, general anesthetics, and chemotherapy directed against cancer. They may be used for severe cases of gastroenteritis, especially if the patient is dehydrated. As I have mentioned earlier, antiemetics are the drugs which reduce nausea and vomiting. There is a vomiting center known as chemoreceptor trigger zone in the area prostotima, which is located at the floor of the fourth ventricle. Triggering of this chemoreceptor trigger zone results in the activation of the vomiting reflex, which creates the feeling of nausea and vomiting. Receptors activating the vomiting centers are dopamine receptors, serotonin receptors, muscarinic receptors, NK1 receptors, and cannabinoid receptors. Dopamine receptors. Dopamine receptors are present in the chemoreceptor trigger zone. Activation of these receptors results in the stimulation of the vomiting reflex. Dopamine antagonists are used as an effective medication against nausea and vomiting. Dopamine antagonists act on the brainstem and are used to treat nausea and vomiting associated with cancer, radiation sickness, opioids, and cytotoxic drugs and general anesthetics. Examples of these drugs are prochlorperazine and other drugs such as fluphenazine, thioridazine, etc. Metoclopramide is also dopamine receptor antagonist, which is used as an antiemetic. Metoclopramide is also used as a prokinetic agent in GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, but these drugs have limiting effects because of the severe dyskinesias, muscle spasms, and restlessness they cause. Serotonin receptor antagonist. There is a certain type of serotonin receptors, 5-HT3 receptors, which are present in the brainstem, particularly in the chemoreceptor trigger zone. An activation of these receptors results in triggering of nausea and vomiting. Therefore, serotonin antagonist, citron type of drugs are effective and particularly the most effective medication against the nausea and vomiting. Granisetron, dolasetron, ondansetron, and other citron type of drugs. They are particularly examples. Useful for post-operative and chemotherapy-induced nausea and vomiting, and also useful against the cytotoxic drugs. Particularly, they are useful as antidote to cisplatin. Cisplatin is an anti-cancer medication. The cytotoxic drugs cause the side effect of nausea and vomiting. To limit these effects, we use citron type of drugs. Antimuscarinics. Antimuscarinics are also used as antiemetics because there is a vestibular system located in the ear, which with the help of eighth nerve senses motion and activates the chemoreceptor trigger zone or vomiting area via acetylcholine, which activates the muscarinic receptors M1. Particularly, they are useful for motion sickness, and some of the drugs are scopolamine, promethazine, etc. But side effects of these drugs are which causes its limitation because these drugs cause atropine-like side effects, cardiovascular effects, and they also causes sedation. NK1 receptors. Neurokinin receptors are present in the dorsal horn of the spinal cord. Visceral type of vein results in activation of the pain receptors via afferents, which activates these neurokinin 1 receptors in the dorsal horn of the spinal cord. the activation of which triggers the vomiting center. Therefore, NK1 receptors antagonists are useful as antiemetic, and they are newer drugs which have now approved for the usage. It has a side effect of P450 interactions, diarrhea, fatigue, and dizziness. Antihistamines. Antihistamines are effective in many conditions including motion sickness, morning sickness in pregnancy, and to combat opioid nausea. H1 receptors in central areas include area prostema and vomiting center in the vestibular nucleus. Also, many of the antihistamines have anticholinergic properties that block muscarinic receptors at the same sites. Therefore, they are used in conditions like morning sickness. Particularly, doxylamine is used for morning sickness. Promethazine, diphenhydramine, mirtazapine, they are used. Mirtazapine has another usage as an antidepressant as well. Cannabinoids. Cannabinoids, these receptors are located in the vomiting center. These receptors are ion channel which are GI coupled. Therefore, they are inhibitory in nature. Therefore, we do not use antagonist but we use agonist, because agonist would do the purpose because of the inhibitory nature of the receptor. Dronabinol is an example. It is useful in the chemotherapy induced nausea and vomiting.